Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Awesome A2. I am Today we're going to be exploring the Upper Dells boat and Witch's Gulch and Stand Rock. So
heading into Upperdale boat docks. Hey guys, welcome to Upperdale.
hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be exploring the Upper Dells and the Lower Dells. Where I'm sitting right now, I'm sitting in the Lower Dells. And if you guys want to have a look out,
Sit and wait for their lines for the next boating to come in, enter. And here we go, we're leaving now. On the way. Here we go. Beautiful. Look at this. Amazing.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the Marquette. How's everyone doing today?
Yeah.
You picked a perfect day for a boat trip. We've just started our 2-hour, 10-mile cruise here on the Upper Dells of the Wisconsin River. Now, during your trip today, you're going to be seeing some beautiful natural river scenery. We're going to be seeing some amazing rock formations. And we will be making 2 ports of call. We will be making 2 stops. Our first stop is Witch's Gulch. Now this is a natural made canyon that you'll be able to get out of the boat and walk through, and I know you will love that. It is the trademark of Wisconsin Dells, and it's there that we're going to see the dog make his traditional jump at Stand Rock. Now, before we get started, I do want to introduce myself. My name is Greg, and I'm going to be your pilot. So let me tell you, all of you, including myself, can take a big sigh of relief. We are in excellent hands this afternoon. Now, right now, I'm going to hand the microphone over to the captain, and he's going to introduce himself and also tell us a little about the rules and the regulations that we have to follow while we are aboard the Marquette. Take it away, Captain.
Well, thank you, Greg. One hard and fast rule, and that is don't throw anything in the river. You're welcome to have food or drink on the boat with you. All we ask when you get done with it, just use the garbage can. Everybody knows how to use a garbage can. Boat, dock, especially the river, is possible.
Water is life. Hot water is civilization.
Well, we have a moment before we get up to our first major rock formations here, so I'd like...
Now, if you look
Hey,
up to the right, you'll see these little holes in the rock here. These are the homes of our bank swallows. We'll be seeing those throughout the whole trip. They're the swallows. They come from as far as Brazil every May, and they stay till here on the Upper Dells. What does Wisconsin Dells mean? Well, Wisconsin comes from the Chippewa Indian word Mescouncing, and that means dark, rushing waters. And Dells comes from the French word dal, meaning flat, layered rock. So as you can see, Wisconsin Dells is very appropriately named here, where the dark rushing water meets the flat, layered rock. Now, if you look straight ahead, you see we're going to be passing, and ahead of the boat and off here to the left is Romance Cliff. And that stands 75 feet high. Legend has it that the Native Americans would have their wedding ceremonies right up on top of beautiful Romance Cliff. It's said that they would take a bough off the tree and all marriage. Approximately 110 feet deep right between these 2 rocks. The average depth of the Wisconsin River is 35 to 40 feet deep. Up here to the right, you'll be seeing Chimney Rock. Chimney Rock gets to resemble the old stick and mortar chimneys of the early pioneer days. And
Those are chimney rocks right there, look. See, but people are saying that's a pain.
Now, our next rock formation, you can do it. It's ahead of the boat, and off here to the right-hand side, again, is Blackhawks, Wisconsin Dells area through most of the 1800s. The Wisconsin River is one of the cleanest rivers in the United States. What you're seeing is tannic acid. As our river travels through our state, it goes through a series of tamaracks, and this tamarack tree does secrete the tannins into the water, fish color. Now, I can, in fact, if you...
He's kidding, of course. Boat captains drink.
Hello!
Should have known that. This is Black Hawk's Island. It is 200 acres, and it is home to Camp Upham Woods. Happen up here at Black Hawk's Island. It is said that every species of tree that grows in Wisconsin is growing up there on Black Hawk's Island, and that's nearly 110 species of trees. The catfish and the sturgeon are all
right there.
White sign on it. These two rocks are what we call the twin sisters here on the Upper Dells. And you know we love to name our rocks here in the Dells. So this first one, her name is Kate. And the second one, her name is Duplicate. This is the captain's joke. He makes me say. Now, as I said, Leroy Gates engraved his name into the rock those many years ago, and that's coming up here just ahead of us to 58.
Oh, as you can
Now,
see,
once
those
the railroads came through this area,
little
they
water
stopped
dripping.
transporting
That's what
along the
makes
Fox
this
River.
design on
And
the
Leroy
rocks.
Gates, well,
Hey guys! Do you ever wonder, guys, how this design are made on the rocks? Just so you know, these designs are made when the water starts dripping. That's how these designs are made. As you can see, a little water dripping through it, guys. And just look at the trees. They're on so edge of the rocks, and they're still standing
now
tall.
if you see those stairs up there to the right, those stairs go up to the owner to our right.
Look at, you guys can see the
Now,
water
Chula
dripping.
Vista means beautiful view, and I think you can agree that they do have a beautiful view up there at Chula Vista. Return to the boat, you return to your same seats. You return to the same seats. We don't want any bloodshed here in our beautiful...
We just came out from the boat.
Because of trees.
Where?
1, 2, 3.
What do you think?
Hey guys.
Why is the water brown?
It's getting narrow, guys. Look at how close this is. Very close. Going into two. So close. Ouch. Wow.
Well, it's a wishing well.
Hey. Into the sand rocks now, guys.
This guy is hungry. Food so they cup.
Here we go, that's the sand rock, guys. Where's that at? Are you guys excited to see the dog jumping? It's gonna jump right there, guys. That's where the dog jumps over. These are the sand rocks, guys.
A lot of people say it's this rock that made Wisconsin Dells the tourist attraction that it is today. This rock and this photographer, H.H. Bennett. H.H. Bennett shop where Maddie's in between the rocks. Get your cameras ready because it does go fast. All right, so everybody look up here. All right, Maddie, we're ready to fly.
Oh!
Beautiful. What's the view over here? Beautiful view.
The price is 25 cents. Okay, also good. Bye-bye.
Hey guys. Heading back to the dock, guys. This is where we entered from. Now this is where we're going back.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe all our videos. Make sure you comment down below your favorite video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.